Hello. Got a question for you.
I like questions.
I know you do.
How you guys doing out there?
All right, the question is, why are VW campers so expensive?
Why are VW campers so expensive? Well, it's two-part. One, it's a rarity because it was a conversion done by a third-party company when they originally were produced. Westfalia is actually really known here in the States as well as Riviera. There are some other manufacturers like Dorn's and stuff like that, Sundial. So it depends on the rarity. Trying to get parts for those is almost impossible. The second fold is you have two completely different systems. So you've got the bus itself. So as a transporter, you've got 2 rows of seating in the back, and you've got, front and 2 front chairs, and that's pretty much it. Headliner, rubber mats, that whole thing. With a camper, you've got all of the cabinets, you've got the pop top, fiberglass, which generally needs to be regelled. You've got brand new canvas, you've got all new foam, new plumbing, updated on refrigeration systems, updates on drainage systems, propane, all of that stuff. So you're actually building 2 different vehicles at the same time and combining them. So that's why VW buses are more expensive to restore than VW buses. Campers
we gotcha. Yeah.
Are more. So
yeah.
That's actually a really good question. Keep the questions coming, folks. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notify, smash that button. When we get to 1,000, we're going to be doing a Dark Side giveaway package.
Yeah, we're at 572 right now.
572. So
making progress.
We appreciate it. Thank you guys for all the YouTube and Facebook love and
hanging out with us.
Instagram and Twitter and there's a couple others. I don't know. So they don't tell me anything around here. I feel like a mushroom some days. Back in the little bright silver room.
That's true. So what are you working on?
I am doing a cut and buff on the bottom side of David's hood. And normally we don't do this. We just let this go. But because this is such a high-level car, we wanted to get the stuff that nobody generally will see really looking nice. So the bottom will look like the top. And we got a little bit of trash in it, so I'm taking some time and hit it with a 1000 grit. You can barely see it in the reflection, but
yeah,
I can feel it. So there's a little bit of trash in here. So I'm getting the trash out first.
Take the trash out, man.
Then I'll cut it to 1500 and then just bring it up through 2000, 2500, 3000, 5000, 8000, and then I'll start to polish. So this should actually take me most of the day.
Got fingerprints?
No, I don't. So if you're also wondering why it costs so much to build anything or to make anything look right, it's very labor intensive.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I'll spend probably 9 hours on this today. We'll probably bill the client 6 or 7, just because there's times I have to walk away from it, just because my eyes I can't see anymore. A lot of this is by feel.
Sure.
So it's like as I'm going over the blocks, and we're actually using, really super small blocks. And no, you cannot buy these. These are something that's a prototype that I'm working on. So we'll see if we have a line of blocks coming out or not. I got to see how well they work. But this is basically it's an application for. It's something wasn't available on the market, so I actually had to create it. So that's kind of the cool thing about making your own tools.
Yeah.
So I got to see how well it works, and if it works well, I might do a line of them. I might just do them with limited order. I don't know. Haven't really decided yet.
Cool. They work.
Dead Nut Block. How's that for a brand name? Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know. So let's see what the guys are working on.
All right, I sure will.
We'll talk to you later.
Bye. Speaking of campers, here we go. Hey Alex, what you working on?
Trying to get some wires run for the lights in here. Right now I'm trying to get this big bundle of wires run down the B pillar. It's got to go behind the cabinets and get over here to where all of the leisure battery stuff is.
Okay. Lots of electrics to go in.
Yeah.
Cool.
and it is not cooperating because I've only got access to one hole over there that's only big enough for 3 wires, and I've got to manage to get 5 wires through something.
Yep, the story of the VW shop. Never enough room. Lots of stuff to get in there. Oh, well, hello.
Howdy.
Did you make those?
I did make these pillows.
Oh, man.
Look how good they match.
They're awesome.
I'll just put them in there, so hopefully they don't get dirty.
That's beautiful.
But other than that, everything I'm working on is outside.
All right.
So
I got a quick question for you. How
Okay.
did you learn how to do upholstery?
I took a VOTEC class,
Nice.
1 year VOTEC class at a technical college. So,
Wow. So how many, like, nights you went? Or?
Yeah, it was nice. It was
For a whole year?
long. Yep.
That's impressive.
3.5 hours, 4 hours, I think it was at night.
Wow.
Yeah, I did that and welding at the same time.
I love it, though. That's great. You,
Yeah.
you know, just built. And how old were you at the time?
45.
All right, folks. You got no excuse for not learning.
No excuse for not learning. Anybody can do it. Yeah.
All right, let's see. What's going on in here, Stone?
1 second.
You catch me on the way out.
Uh-huh.
Working on Martin some more. Pulling
Ah.
the e-brake handle, gotta put new e-brake cables. Gotta pull the old fuel line out
Okay.
through there so I can run the new one.
Gotcha.
It's going bigger motor, so we gotta put a bigger fuel line.
Yeah, a much bigger motor, right?
And it's fun because this has a roll bar in it.
Oh, so you're getting a little automotive yoga.
Sadly, yes.
Yes. Oh, man. At least it's nice and cool in here today.
A little bit.
For now.
Not so much
Not in
here.
there.
Not in here. No.
All right, keep it up. Anything going on with Rusty? Or are we
Still
waiting?
sitting there. We're still waiting on a couple things. We're fixing to get back on. We're trying to get some of these other things out of the way.
Okay.
Rusty's in the
Hey,
hole.
there's Sean.
We got all kinds of stuff going on out here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mr. Johnson's
Oh, boy.
bug and Mr. Robinson's bug. So this we just put in. We got most of the stuff in. We got the vinyl top in and stuff. So we're fixing to start working on it. Just did all the sound deadening.
Nice.
Put the rear view mirror and the new visors on. And there's a lot of little stuff that's going on it. You can't
yeah.
tell, but
All right.
all getting all kinds of new stuff on there. So we're fixing to start this probably this week.
Okay.
Me and Roddy with fitting this top, which is going to be
new top, right?
new top, new bows, new all that stuff. So
Oh, boy.
this is the wooden bow for it. So it has a, which is inside, but one of the main bows that go on here is wooden, which is weird.
Wow.
But it's
Huh.
so we got a new wooden bow.
Is
Which
that normal?
it actually is the way it came. So it's weird. The rest of the bows are metal in it.
Yeah. That's
Not
kinda
real
strange.
sure, you know, I guess it's an old German thing, I don't know, but we don't know why one of them's wood. Maybe it's something to do with tension, I don't know, but
Weird.
it is weird. So that and the top, I'm in the middle of cleaning up the seats out here, the frames, we're redoing those and repairing them and painting them up, and then we've got all new seat covers put on them, so I gotta get the seats all cleaned up.
Oh, yeah.
They've been
They going out for powder coating? Or?
we're just gonna paint them. They're not,
Yeah.
we'll get to see them, so we'll just keep the rust down. There's
Sure.
actually the frames of them right
Oh, wow,
there.
yeah.
So they had, so it's a 74 Beetle, but they had years and years of covers. Like they covered over a cover over a cover.
Yeah.
And being convertible, you can see how much rust. there
Oh,
was.
yeah.
But it didn't rust through, so we're good there.
Great.
So, and then the little guy out there is almost done. I'm fixing to put his seats in. We did all new mats and
Nice.
interior and him. So, Mr. Robinson.
Great.
Yeah, and I've got we've got the new steering wheel for Mr. Robinson and the nose speedometer here now. So
Great. What are you working on, Jim?
I'm actually working on getting Mr. Johnston's motor fired up and running. See what we got for the little blue convertible.
Great.
Yeah. And it's being a little contrary right now.
Wasn't there an issue with like
Well, we're still working
There's
with
still
that.
issues?
Yeah, there's still issues.
like one rod was too long or
Well, it was no shims on the rocker shafts for
Oh.
one. So, and then it's a bought it off eBay. So
Oh.
never know what you're gonna get. So that's what we're trying to figure out, if it's if he got a good one or if he didn't. You know what we'll have to do to make get them where it's running and all.
Yeah.
And then also on the car itself, I've already done all new brakes on all around.
Okay.
Still staying with drum brakes.
All right.
We are going to be dropping the front end 2 inches.
Oh my. All right.
Because of course, as we all know, Super Beetles sit a little high in the front anyway.
Yeah, they do.
So we're actually going to install the drop, everything to drop at about 2 inches, get it down a little bit, get it a little more stable and all.
Great. That's gonna look great.
Oh yeah, it is.
That's a pretty little car.
Yeah, it is. It is. I think actually a tech school actually painted it. I think. Huh. I know tech school had their hands on it a little bit. So.
Wow.
And then it's here to us.
There we go.
Yep. Loads of fun.
Lots of fun.
And then I was getting finished up on getting Martin's motor ready to go in his car once that's ready.
Excellent.
So
right.
he's getting a brand new 1776.
That's the Baja, yeah.
Yeah, the Baja, yeah.
Wow.
Getting a brand new 1776 with
Zoom,
dual carbs.
zoom.
Yeah, zoom zoom.
Fantastic.
Along with raising it up 3 inches.
Whew. Monster truck.
It's gonna be interesting.
All right, say goodbye to the nice people.
Bye, everybody.